Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Fiat 500 headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a T25 Torx driver and a new H7 bulb. Next, ensure your Fiat 500 is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. This is crucial for safety. Finally, locate the headlight assembly within the engine bay, which is where we will begin our work. Now, let's get started. Using your T25 Torx driver, carefully remove the two screws that secure the entire headlight unit in place. Once these screws are out, gently pull the headlight assembly forward. This action creates the necessary space to work. Finally, reach behind the unit and disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing its release tab. With the headlight assembly free, you can now access the bulb. Twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to release it from the main housing. Carefully remove the old H7 bulb, being sure not to touch the glass of the new bulb when you handle it. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the new H7 bulb, ensuring it seats correctly. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight unit back into its original position, aligning it properly. Reinsert and tighten the two T25 Torx screws to secure the unit. Finally, test your new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.